Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video I want to show you another very important plugin that you can install for free to optimize the security for your website. And let me show you how it works. So over here you can see I have the dashboard for my website, and in this case I have created a staging website. And now let me go to an incognito tab, and you can see over here, if I go to the URL of the website and then enter WP-admin like this, then you will go to this page. And basically for all the WordPress websites, by default the URL to the login of the dashboard is the name of the website followed by WP-login. So of course that is also something that hackers know, and if they want to attack your website, for example with brute force attacks, then they can use this URL in most cases, because that is the most used URL for WordPress websites to log in into the dashboard. So what you can do with a free plugin, and I will show you right now, is you can change the URL of the login to your dashboard. So instead of WP-admin, you can change it to something else. And of course that will decrease the amount of fake login attempts or attempts by hackers on your page or for your website with a huge amount. So let me show you how it works. First you need to go to the plugins section over here. Then you can click on the add new button to install a new plugin. And in this case we need to go to the search bar and enter WPS hide login, and then you will see this plugin over here. It has over 1 million active installations, so a lot of people use this plugin. It's by WP Server. You just have to click on the install now button like this, wait for a couple of seconds, and now you can see activate, and just click on it to install the plugin. So now we're back in the plugin section again, and now if you go over to the settings option for the plugin we have just installed, so just click on settings, and now you will see this on your page, and it's over at the general settings. So here you have the login URL, and the plugin basically gives you a suggestion to change it to login, because by default it's, as I already mentioned, it's set to WP-admin, but if you have login over here, then the URL to login to your WordPress dashboard will be the name of your website followed by login. But you can also change this to something else. For example, I would choose something more specific because a lot of people use this plugin, and I guess also a lot of people will use the default settings. So my advice is to change this to something else. And for example, I will use example 1 like this. I'll copy this. Don't forget to click on the blue button save changes to save all the settings. Now everything is set, and if I go over to the incognito tab again, and now I enter the name of the website followed by the original URL to log into the dashboard, you will see that it won't work, and that's WP-admin, enter, and now you see that the URL will link back to the home page, because I have set it up so that 404 pages will be redirected to the home page. So therefore now you will see the home page. And if I now go back to the browser tab and I enter the same name as we have just entered in the plugin, and it's example 1, so the name of the website followed by example 1 as I have set it up in the plugin, click on enter, and now you can see the login page to your WordPress dashboard. So that's basically everything you need to know. This is how you can change the URL of the login page of your WordPress dashboard. And I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, make sure to smash the thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that. Don't forget to click on the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that I will be uploading. And in the next tutorial I will show you another plugin. That's the last of 3 that I use for extra security of my website. So make sure to check that out. And with that being said, I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you back again in the next video.